Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I am Technologist Liana Fairuz binti Zakaria and my friend Technologist Zahrizan bin Muhammad Sahari from Mechanical Engineering Department, Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu Sabah would like to present our innovation project, Welding Assisting Table. The Welding Assisting Table is designed to facilitate the teaching and learning process in a welding workshop between the teaching instructors and students. In Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu workshop, students learn to weld a different type of welding joint and position such as T-joint, corner joint and lap joint using a different types of welding such as shielded metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, oxy-acetylene welding and gas metal arc welding. This welding assisting table provides proper clamps to hold workpiece in any joint and can also weld at 1G, 2G and 3G welding position. The welding assisting table is designed because of students have trouble to do weld joint because they doesn't have clamp or jig to support or hold the workpiece in the correct position for welding. Besides that, students find it is difficult to weld in a comfortable position due to the improper height of the welding table. And the adhesive welding table in the workshop is very light and easy to move when they doing their welding work. The objectives of this project is to design and to fabricate the welding assisting table with adjustable height and adjustable clamp so that it can facilitate the teaching and learning process in a welding workshop between the teaching instructors and students. These are the scopes for the welding assisting table. The comparison between the conventional table with the welding assisting table. The fabrication of this table is to provide help for the students to learn how to weld in the right position for a different type welding position with the help of the jig and clamp that provided with the table. This welding table is made a little heavier to avoid movement while welding so that it can help the students to fully concentrate on their welding work at the whole time. The welding assisting table can be used to weld different types of welding joint such as butt joint, lap joint, T-joint, corner joint and edge joint. The welding assisting table can be used to do different types of welding position such as 1G, 2G and 3G position. advantages of using the welding assisting table. The welding assisting table has an adjustable clamp that can be used according to the welding joint and welding position. The height of the table can be adjusted according to the user's convenience. The jig's position can be changed depending on the position of the workpiece to be welded. The table's part, which are the table's leg and the welding frame, can be dismantled for easier transport. Spanner and Allen key is used to adjust the adjustable clamp at the welding assisting table. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for watching.